How to sign up for Meetup account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can sign up for Meetup account, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to ensure that you have the application installed on your device, and then once you have that done, just go ahead and launch the app. So you can launch the app by clicking on the application. After clicking on the application, you wait for it to load, and then once it has loaded, you would see a write up which says sign up, or if you have an account, you can just log in. In this case, we'll click on sign up since we do not have an account already. And so after clicking on sign up and you're brought to the sign up page, the next step is to select your method of signing up. We have Google, we have email, we have Facebook. So I'll select Google. I would advise you to do the same too, but you can use any method of your choice. For me, I'm going to select Google. So after selecting Google, you wait for your page to load and for all of your Google accounts to be displayed, and then select the one that you would like to use. Then after that, you'd wait for the page to load one more time. Once that's loaded, you can now see the option for you to enter in your name. So you can just go ahead and do that. Then the next step would be for you to set your birth date. Okay. You can see the minimum number of years that you must have attained before you can create an account on Meetup. So just go ahead and select your date, and so click OK. Then select the gender. Note that this is just an example, all right? And then once you're done, the sign up button will be available. Then just click on sign up, and then you wait for the page to load again. And so the next step would be for you to select your location. So where exactly are you located? So just go ahead and type it out. Then just type it out directly into the box displayed. Then move to the bottom part of the screen and click on next. And here you'll be asked to choose your interest. Exactly what exactly are you interested in the Meetup application. So you can just go ahead and select that. Okay. So just select. And then once you are done selecting, move to the bottom part and click on next again. And then you'll be asked to select what exactly you're looking for. So what are you looking for on Meetup? Are you looking forward to making new friends, to practice a hobby with others, to build a professional network? Just go and select it as much as it applies to you. Then the next step would be for you to join groups, okay? And then you can decide to join groups in order for you to and then attend reservation. All right, then move to the top right corner and click on next, and you'll be taken to the next page. And then just like that, your account has been created. And so by the bottom part of the screen, you can see options like home, all right, where you can see your home page. And then on the home page, and moving to the top right corner, once you click on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page where you can further customize your profile, such as adding a profile photo, joining groups, making observations, and all of that, adding a bio. Okay, you can do all of this on the Meetup application. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and ensure you have a good day.